What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the Pokemon theme song on the ukulele. Now this is the shortened theme song, so the one that was shown on TV, about a minute or so long, not the 2 to 3 minute version. If you want to learn that one, you can probably just kind of figure it out from there. It's pretty similar to the rest of the song, but here we go!
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Teach Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, it's you and me. No, it's my destiny, Pokemon. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon, a heart so true, our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon.
So there's a few chords you're going to need to know, starting with G minor. Now I put my pointer finger on the 4th string, 1st fret, my ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then 2nd string, 2nd fret, I put my middle finger. And then you're going to need to know F. Now this is going to be a quick transition from G minor to F, but what you do is remove your ring finger, and then move your pointer finger and middle finger down 1. And then you're going to have to switch back to that again, but get used to that transition between G minor and F. It's a little difficult, even though there's not too much going on. You're just going to have to get used to putting the ring finger on and off that 3rd string, 3rd fret. You're also going to need to know E flat, which is the same thing as G minor, except you move the middle finger up 1. So it's on the 3rd fret now instead of the 2nd fret. You're going to need to also know B flat, which you can either bar the entire 1st fret with your pointer finger. I just play the first 2 strings. I bar those. And then your middle finger will go on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. And then your ring finger will go on the 1st string, 3rd fret. You're going to need to know C. It'll be a quick transition from B flat to C. C is just the ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to need to know D, which I just do 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, 2nd fret. And then I think that's all you're going to need to know. So while there is only 6 chords, the song can be pretty difficult. So to start off, for the intro, you're going to need to switch between G minor and F really quickly. And I play these all down, so I'm just going straight down. You can do down up, but I don't think it sounds as good. Either one works. If you find doing straight down too difficult, you can do alternating down and up, but I just strum pretty much straight down. So for the rest of the song, you can either just kind of play straight chords, like a strumming pattern, but what I like to do is actually kind of mimic the song itself. So like where it goes da 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 da, I do like, so I kind of mimic that a little bit. It's not the same exact sound, like you could probably play the chords that do that, but I think that might be a little bit difficult to do on the ukulele, and I want to kind of keep this pretty easy. But if you want, you can mimic the strumming pattern to be like the song. So to start off, you alternate between G minor and F. And then that's where it goes da da da, and then gets into the song. So you do that twice, so G minor F, then get into the song. And it does the same thing 2 more times. So the I want to be the very best, G minor to F. And then again, G minor, like no one ever was, which you do the same strumming pattern you were at the beginning. But this is where I said you can kind of get a little creative with it. So like no one ever was F. And then I do F, F, E flat, or something like that, where you kind of da, 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 To catch them, which is now to E flat. To catch them is my real test, so that's B flat. So E flat to catch them is my real test, B flat. And then here you're going to kind of step up. So B flat, C, D. To train them is my cause. So B flat, C, D, and then you're going to go right back to the G minor to F, alternating. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. So F, F. I kind of do, instead of playing the full E flat, I just do the fourth string, first fret. It gives me a little bit of time to get my other fingers in place. So I kind of do... So even though that doesn't really sound good by itself, like that, I don't know if that's like C minor or something, even though it's not really good sounding by itself, if you play it kind of quick enough, you don't really notice it too much, and then you can get right into the E flat. It gives you a little bit of time, and I think it sounds pretty good. So let's go back. So G minor, searching far and wide, F. E flat, teach Pokemon to understand, B flat. And then again, you're stepping up. So the B flat, C, D. The power that's inside. And then you get to the chorus, where it starts off with E flat. Pokemon, it's you and me, which is to B flat. So E flat to B flat. So one more time. Pokemon, it's you and me. And then back to E flat. I know it's my destiny, which is now F. So you do E flat, B flat, and E flat, F. So one more time. Chorus, Pokemon, E flat. It's you and me, B flat. E flat. I know it's my destiny, which is F. And then from here, you're going to go to G minor. Ooh, you're my best friend, so F. So G minor to F. My best friend. And then you do the step up again from B flat. So B flat, C, D. In a world we must defend. And then just like at the beginning, you do the E flat, Pokemon. And now instead of going to B flat, you go to F here. Pokemon, a heart so true. And then to G minor. So it's F, G minor, F, which you should be good at transitioning between because it's the same as the beginning. So we'll start over. Pokemon, a heart so true, G minor. Our courage will back to F, pull us through. And then the you teach me and I'll teach you. That starts off with E flat. You teach me and I'll teach you, B flat. And then Pokemon, that's the step up again. B flat, C, D. And then gotta catch 'em all, E flat. Gotta catch 'em all. So then you're kind of stepping up from E flat. So I do E flat, F, G. So gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon. So I just play the G's out on the beats of Pokemon as well at the end. So some tips for learning this. I would definitely recommend starting off with a transition from G minor to F. Work on that. It's pretty difficult, especially if you're starting off. I still have a little bit of trouble with it going back and forth. So work on that a bit. I'd say watch the playthrough that I do at the beginning. Play that at like maybe half speed when you're first starting off, and then kind of learn how it goes. So then be able to work your way up to 0.75 speed and then full speed. And then maybe if you want to sing along with it, then work on singing along maybe a little bit separately. The song itself isn't too difficult, but there's no like super nice pattern to it. Like a lot of pop songs kind of just have the same 4 repeating. This one kind of little all over the place with the 6 chords. I mean, you're only using C and D after you're doing B flat. So really, you're only kind of using 4, but it's sort of all over the place when you're using them. So really just try and watch the playthrough a few times, really try and figure out how the chords are, and then you'll eventually be able to play it. So thank you guys for watching. I put out a new tutorial every Tuesday, and I put out another random video every Friday. So if you want to see more of this, please subscribe. If there's any tutorials you want to see, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below. I'd love to try and get to everyone that I can. I can't get to all of them, but I'd love to hear from you. So please let me know. If you like my channel, please subscribe. It helped me out a ton. The channel has been growing pretty slowly, but I really appreciate everyone who has helped me out to get this far. So thank you for watching. Thank you for making it through the whole video. I really appreciate that. Helps me out a ton. So thank you again for watching. Peace.